Hello everyone. How are you students? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start lesson number 2, that is how much can you carry. Now tell me, carry means what? C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Carry मतलब उठाने का. Carry मतलब उठाने का. Now let's see. I can carry these many books. It's very heavy. You can carry all these books? No. You can carry only 2 books. Why? Because I am big, I am grown up, so I can carry more weight, and you are small, so you can carry less weight. Yes. Now children, you can see this bottle. Yes, it contains something white color. What it is? It is a salt. Now, I'll put little salt in the water. थोड़ा salt मैं पानी में डालूंगी और उसे क्या करूंगी मैं mix करूंगी. Now you can see the salt. आपको salt दिखाई पड़ रहा है? नहीं. क्यों दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा है? Why you can't see the salt? Because it dissolve in the water. वो पानी के अंदर क्या हो गया है? Mix हो गया है. Okay? Now, children, I am going to tell you a story. The name of the story is The Clever Donkey and His Heavy Sack. Donkey means you know very well, गधा. Okay? And sack means बड़ा सा bag. इसमें आपने देखा पापा बहुत सारा गेहूं लेकर आते हैं या चावल लेकर आते हैं. Okay? So this is a story of a clever donkey and his heavy sack. Now Sandesh was a boy and he has a donkey. He uses donkey to carry the salt sack. संदेश एक बॉय था, वो क्या करता, उसके पास एक डोंकी था और डोंकी पर वो नमक का बोरा रख के उसको मार्केट में बेचने जाता था. On his way to the market, they have to cross a river. River means what, children? Yes, river means क्या होती है? नदी होती है. So one day while crossing the river, एक दिन जब वो river cross कर रहे थे, तो donkey slipped down into the river. Donkey नदी के अंदर क्या हो गया? Slip कर गया और वो नदी में वो गिर गया. When he got up, he felt very light. When donkey got up, the sacks become light, and the donkey was very happy. Now can you tell me why the sack become light? अब बता सकते कि बोरा हल्का क्यों हो गया? ओके, मैंने अभी आपको बताया ना कि अगर पानी में नमक डालेंगे तो पानी में नमक क्या हो जाएगा? एकदम घुल जाएगा. ऐसे ही जब बोरा पानी के अंदर गिरा, उसमें क्या था? नमक था, और नमक पानी के अंदर क्या हो गया? मिक्स हो गया और बोरा कैसा हो गया? वो लाइट हो गया. ओके. Now the donkey was very happy. So next day again, while going towards the market, on the way, the donkey again slipped down into the river, and he was very happy. Okay. Now the Sandesh was thinking, why donkey is again slipping down into the river? He slipped down into the river again and again. What happened to him? Then he understood. हाँ, उसको क्यों slip कर रहा है वो river में? क्योंकि उसकी वो sack कैसा हो जा रहा है? हल्का हो जा रहा है. तो next day, Sandesh was also very clever. What he did next day, Sandesh put a sack of salt on his back, a donkey's back, and they started moving towards the market. Now donkey was very clever. He remembered. So while crossing the river, again he slipped down into the river. The donkey slipped again, and again he was very happy. Now Sandesh thought, why this donkey again slipped down in the river again and again? What happened to him? Then he thought कि हाँ, क्यों कर रहा है? पानी में बार बार गिर रहा है क्योंकि उसका बोरा पानी में गिरता है और उसका वेट क्या होता है? लाइट हो जाता है. So but Sandesh was also very clever. What he did next day, he put a big bag of sack with woolen cloths. उसने बड़े बैग में क्या रखा? स्वेटर रखे, मंकी कैप रखी, मतलब वूलन क्लॉथ्स रखे और उसके बैग के ऊपर रख दिया. And started moving towards the market. Now donkey was in that idea only. Now again still he is having the sack of salt. So when he reached near the river, what he will do? You know? And what will happen to him? You know? Okay, I will tell you. So when he reached near the river, again he slipped down into the river and his bag fell into the river. Now the donkey was unable to get up from the river. Donkey उठ ही नहीं पा रहा था. क्यों उठ नहीं पा रहा था मालूम है? क्योंकि जब वूलन क्लॉथ से पानी जाता है ना, तो वूलन क्लॉथ कैसे जाते हैं? बहुत हैवी हो जाते हैं. और डोंकी उठ ही नहीं पा रहा था. And he was very, very tired. So he learned a lesson. We should not cheat others. Thank you. Now children, we'll go to next question. Question 2 is, circle the object that weighs more. Now children, there are some objects which are heavy and some which object which they are light. Like this cup is heavy and this hair band is lighter. Cup कैसा है? Heavy है और hair band कैसा है? Lighter है. Now children, we do exercise number 1. Circle the objects that weigh more. Now to circle the object which weigh more. Weigh मतलब वजन, और जो जिसका ज़्यादा वजन उसको क्या करने का हमको? सर्कल करने का. Let us see here. Now toothpaste is there and toothbrush. Which weighs more out of these two things? Yes, toothpaste weighs the more. Now this glass and spoon. I have glass and spoon. Which weighs more? किसका weight ज़्यादा है? Yes, glass weighs more and spoon is less. Okay, now we'll do the one exercise. Now again circle the object that weighs more. Now two objects are given here. One is a boy's favorite bat and ball. Now out of these two, which object weighs more? किसका वजन ज़्यादा है? Yes, very easy. The bat weighs more. Bat का weight कैसा है? ज़्यादा है. The next is bucket. Yes, you have bucket in the bathroom. What mother keeps in the bathroom? What your mother keeps in the bucket? Yes, she keeps the water. Okay. Now one bucket is there and a mug is there. Now you can see bucket is big and mug is small. Now which object weighs more? Yes, the bucket weighs more. Okay. Now exercise 2A is draw a line to match heavier one. Yes, sir. Now two figures are given here, kite and jug. Now what is this, children? It is a seesaw. Where you have seen this seesaw? In the park. When you go to the park, you swing there, you slide there, and seesaw there also. Now in seesaw, which side will go down? Yes, the heavier side will go down and the lighter side will go up. Okay, I'll give you the example. You're watching cartoon? Yes, you all are watching cartoon. And your favorite cartoon is Chhota Bheem. Okay. Now suppose think that Chhota Bheem is sitting here. Chhota Bheem is sitting here. And Kalia is sitting here. Right? So see, because Chhota Bheem is lighter, so this side is going up. And Kalia is so fat, so heavy. So this side is going down. तो कालिया की साइड नीचे चली जाती है और छोटा बहन की साइड कैसी होती है? ऊपर आ जाती है. Now let us see these two objects. One kite is there and one jug is there, filled of water. Now out of this, which one is heavier? कौन सा heavier है? Yes, teacher. Yes, it's very easy to find out. It is jug is heavier. So we have to match it with the heavier side. So like this, I will match with the heavier side. Correct. बाहरी साइड कैसे हो जाएगी? नीचे आ जाएगी. Now go to next question. Yes, apple is there, joker cap is there, again seesaw is there. Okay. Now out of these two, which object is heavier? Joker's cap is heavier or apple is heavier? Yes, teacher, apple heavier है. Okay. So match this with the side which is going down. Why I match this apple with the side going down? Because the side which is going down has always heavy objects. Okay. Now I'll go to next question. Number the objects from 1 to 3 with 1 for the lightest and 3 for the heaviest. Now children, in this comparison is there between the three objects. We have to find out the heaviest and the lightest. Heaviest means सबसे भारी और lightest means सबसे हल्का. Okay. Now children, I am going to show you three objects, three fruits: watermelon, apple and grapes. Now we are comparing the three objects. Heaviest to find out which is the heaviest one and which is the lightest one. Heaviest means सबसे भारी and lightest means सबसे हल्का. Let us see. Now three fruits are there. Now out of these three, tell me which one is the lightest? सबसे हल्का कौन सा है? Yes, grape is the lightest. And सबसे भारी कौन सा है? Yes, सबसे भारी और heaviest क्या है? Watermelon. Now we have to number these three figures. So first number will be grapes. Heavier than grape is apple, and heaviest is the watermelon. So this number will come 1, 2, and 3. Heaviest watermelon and lightest is the grapes. Now children, I am showing you 3 pictures. One is of elephant, other is crow, and last one is the rabbit. You all know these birds and animal very well. Okay. Now we have to see which one is the heaviest. सबसे भारी कौन सा animal है? Yes. Elephant is the heaviest one. And lightest is the crow. Now we have to number this. Heaviest and lightest. Out of these 3. Okay, now first one is the lightest one is the crow. Little heavier than crow is rabbit. This is number 2. And the heavier than the rabbit is elephant. This is the heaviest. So this will be number 3. So crow number 1, rabbit number 2, and elephant number 3. Now do the one exercise. Number the objects from 1 to 3 with 1 for the lightest and 3 for the heaviest. Now 3 figures are given here. Now we have to number them accordingly their weight. Now from lightest to the heaviest. Now see, leaf, bottle and tree. Now which one is the lightest here? Yes, leaf is the lightest. So I put number 1 here. Little heavier than leaf? Yes, it is bottle number 2. And सबसे भारी कौन सा है? Tree, that is number 3. So lightest is the leaf and heaviest is the tree. So first is leaf, second is bottle, and third is tree. Now children, we'll do exercise 3A. Color the one which is lighter. Means जो सबसे हल्का उसे क्या करने का हमको color करने का. Again 2 objects are given here. Tennis ball and football. Out of these 2, which one is lighter? Tennis ball. So color the tennis ball like this. So lightest picture we have, lighter picture we have, color here. Now second is pot and balloon. Now out of these 2, which one is the lightest one? Lighter? Yes, balloon is the lighter. So color the balloon here. So we have colored the lighter figure here. Now I'll go to next exercise, exercise 3B. Write which is the heaviest or lightest in the following sentences. Now sentences are given here and brackets are also given here. So you have to choose the correct word from the given bracket and write the correct answer. First is the dash is the heaviest. Yes, now heaviest you know very well. Now out of these 3, elephant, duck and butterfly. Which one is the heaviest? Yes, well. Yes, elephant is the heaviest. So write down here elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Number 2. The dash is the lightest. Water jug, cotton ball or compass box. Now out of these 3, which one is lightest? सबसे हल्का क्या है? Yes, cotton ball. मतलब रुई की बॉल होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? बहुत हल्के होते हैं. So here answer will be cotton ball. Next, the dash is the heaviest. Again, which one is the heaviest out of these 3 given objects? Banana, potato and pumpkin. Banana you know, potato you know pumpkin. Pumpkin का हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं मालूम है? कद्दू. ये बड़ा सा येलो कलर का होता है. मम्मी उसे क्या बनाती है? सब्जी बनाती है. So pumpkin is the heaviest. It is बहुत भारी होता है वो. Pumpkin is the heaviest. Now I'll continue the same question. Number 4. The dash is the lightest. Which one is lightest out of these 3 given? Table, notebook and feather. Yes, it is feather only. F-E-A-T-H-E-R. Next, the dash is the lightest. Again, bowl, glass and spoon. Out of these 3, which one is lightest? Bowl, glass or spoon? Yes, spoon is the lightest. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Now I'll go to the next question. Question 4. Circle the correct answers. Now to read the sentence, 2 options are given there. You have to circle the correct one. Now first one is, a toothbrush is heavier, lighter than a toothpaste. Now which one is heavier? Here toothpaste is heavier. Which one is lighter here? Toothbrush. Now what is asked here? A toothbrush is heavier or lighter? Yes, it is lighter than the toothpaste. So circle here lighter. Next question. A filled water bottle is lighter, heavier than a compass box. Now two objects are there, filled water bottle and compass box. Okay, what is written here? A filled water bottle is lighter than a compass box. Filled मतलब भरी water bottle. भरी water bottle compass box से lighter होती है? नहीं, कैसी होती है वो? Heavier. So circle here heavier. Next, a chalkstick is lighter, heavier than a duster. Now chalkstick is heavier or lighter than duster? Yes, chalkstick is very lighter. This is chalkstick, it is lighter than a duster. So circle here lighter. Next, school bag with books. Now this book is not empty, it is full of books. So this school bag is, a school bag is lighter, heavier than a lunch box. Yes, when it is books are there, it become heavy. So what will circle here? Heavier. Next, very easy. A feather is heavier, lighter than a glass. Yes, a feather is always lighter than a glass. So circle here. Good. Let us continue the same exercise. Number 6. A cotton ball is lighter, heavier than a bowl. Now again two objects, cotton ball and bowl. Now what is written here? A cotton ball is lighter or heavier than a bowl. So cotton ball is heavier than a bowl or lighter than a bowl? Yes, it is lighter than a bowl. Bowl से कैसा होता है? हल्का होता है. Next, a watermelon is heavier, lighter than an orange. Now two objects are there, two foods are there. Watermelon and orange. Which one is heavier here? Yes, watermelon is heavier. So a watermelon is heavier. We circle here heavier. Next question. A laptop is lighter, heavier than a cell phone. Cell phone means mobile phone. Okay. Now you've seen laptop also and cell phone, mobile phone also. So cell phone is heavier than, laptop is heavier than cell phone or lighter? Yes, laptop is heavier than a cell phone. Laptop cell phone से कैसा होता है? हल्का होता है. Next, a potato is lighter, heavier than a pumpkin. Potato is small and pumpkin is big. So potato is lighter than a pumpkin. Again, pumpkin means, children, I told you before also, kaddu. It is a vegetable. Last, your favorite, very easy. A bat is heavier, lighter than a ball. A bat is always heavier than a ball. So children, we end our lesson here. Thank you.